All right, move 28 in 30 moves to 30K, your first deal done. Maybe I should have said this early, but I'm going to say it now. Learn from every mistake. You will make mistakes. You will make little mistakes, you will make medium mistakes, and you might even make some big mistakes. But I assure you, you will make mistakes. That is life. That's called being human. Nobody knows everything. The key is keep them to a minimum and choose up front. Choose self. When I make a mistake, I'm not going to get bent out of shape. I'm not going to go into an emotional tantrum over it. I'm not going to go crawl in a hole and want to die over it. I'm just going to choose up front. I'm going to learn from it. Nothing more. Don't make it any more complicated than that. Now, you will have people around you that will absolutely make this more complicated. They will be emotional basket cases. And when you take a very neutral approach, you will have people say to you, I don't understand how you're not stressed. I don't understand how this is not bothering you. And they think you're like weird and crazy or something's wrong with you. No, no, no. Stay so calm, so neutral because you decided up front, okay, I made a mistake. What can I learn from it? Can I fix the mistake? By the way, some mistakes you can't fix. Some mistakes take time. Some you can fix right away. You're going to get all three. That's part of life. The key is, what did I learn from it? Because when you choose what did I learn from it, now you put yourself in a better space to move forward. Last thing I'll say about this, hire a coach, because when you hire a coach, you keep mistakes to a minimum. Will a coach keep you mistake free? Probably not, because you're still a person and you're still going to do stuff that you're not going to ask your coach, and you're going to make mistakes. I don't know a single person with a coach that hasn't done that, but the people that get coaches keep those incidents to a minimum, which makes a massive difference in what the outcome could be. So hire a coach, absolutely, but first and foremost, choose up front before you even buy a property. When I make a mistake, I'm not going to get bent out of shape. I'm going to learn from it. And so, but for Frank, it costs me money. It might. In fact, it probably will. I made a mistake. I'm going to learn from it. I'm going to get better. Don't add any more to it than that, and you have a much higher chance of keeping your momentum moving forward and making things happen to get to a better outcome the next time, and the next time keep stacking those wins. See you in another video.